The Hikity 10.1-inch Android car stereo is specifically designed for Honda Civic models from 2006 to 2011, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation with no need for cutting cables. Equipped with the latest Android 10.1 system and a powerful quad-core CPU, this car stereo offers fast boot times and smooth operation, allowing you to install various applications as needed. The high-definition 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels provides a clear and vibrant display, enhancing your in-car entertainment experience. Built-in GPS navigation supports both online and offline maps, making it convenient to access navigation data even without an internet connection. The car stereo supports Bluetooth hands-free calling and audio streaming and comes with a built-in microphone for clearer calls, along with FM radio capabilities and preset stations. Additional features include support for phone mirror linking, a high-definition backup camera input, steering wheel remote control, and multi-format audio and video playback, offering a comprehensive multimedia experience.